Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change or set the layout of your slides on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. So first of all, go to the office.com website and create a PowerPoint. After that, go to your homepage by tapping on this home button at the top, and below you can find this layout button. So tap on it, and here you can find all of the available slides, such as title slide, title and content, section header to content comparison, title only, content with caption, and so on. So all you have to do is just simply tapping on the relevant one, and as you can see, the layout of the current slide has been updated automatically. So feel free to try out all of the presets. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.